Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girlfriend Allure. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can use Dudu Osun to achieve a flawless skin. So if it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Welcome back guys, welcome to the new, to the old subscribers, and if you're just seeing me for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my previous videos, and I'm sure you're gonna see something you love in there. So this is Dudu Osun, our very own Dudu Osun. This soap is very good. It is made with the most natural ingredients ever. If you're just seeing it for the first time, but I highly doubt that. It is made with the purest natural ingredients ever. So what this soap does is it does glow the skin. Most people don't know that Dudu Osun glows the skin, but it actually glows the skin. Many people say Dudu Osun is for dark skinned people, but it's for everybody. Your light, your dark, whatever complexion, this soap is for everybody. Okay, this soap is meant to glow the skin. This soap is meant to remove pimples, rashes and all those stuff. It's like a glowing treatment soap, this Dudu Osun here. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can use this Dudu Osun to achieve a glow skin. So first of all, many people just think that, okay, you think that you just bathe with the soap and go and it's all good. When is the soap supposed to do the work in the body? The best or the natural or best way to use a soap, actually, if you want to use Dudu Osun, especially for your face, what you need to do is wash your face. Use it first, okay? Just wash the face, just to wash off any dirt from the skin. So you take it out, you just, you can dip it in water. Yeah, it's a strong soap and it doesn't hold bacteria, so you just like use it and then wash and just rinse off. When you rinse off, just pat your face dry just a bit and then take again, rub it in your hand, make it to lather very well, and use it in massaging every area of your face. Like use it to massage it for a minute and then leave this soap on your face for 3 minutes. Dudu Osun tends to moisturize and also tends to dry the skin. Well, it's a bath soap. That's the work of a bath soap. Bath soap tends to dry out the skin, which is why it's always advisable to moisturize after using any bath soap or putting any bath soap on your face for a longer period of time. So it is very good to moisturize. Like I said, moisturize. So when you leave this soap for your face for 3 minutes, it's going to, like, you feel it that your face is already kind of like dried. So during this minute you're leaving it, is actually working on your skin. But if you just put it on your face like and then you wash off, it's not really doing the work. Okay, even though yes, a little bit of soap residue is still going to remain on your skin, it's best you leave it for 5 minutes, for 3 minutes, leave it for 3 minutes and then wash off. And most times it's good to get a very mild exfoliating face brush. I talked about exfoliating face brush in one of my videos. I think I will link it in the description box or the comment section, one of them, for you guys to see. Get a very mild one and then exfoliate your face. Use it very soft on your face. You don't have to do it no, just use it very soft on your face, and after that you wash off. So when you wash off, this soap is still going to be on your face. It's good you get a very good cleanser, a cleanser preferably mild or something that contains salicylic acid, which helps with acne. Okay, it does help with acne. So you can get salicylic acid, or you can just get a very mild Neutrogena face cleanser and use it to cleanse the face. So you're cleansing the face, you're actually making the cleanser to work for you, and then you're removing the excess remnant of this soap on your face, because you don't want your face to get extremely dried again. So after that, you can go in with your moisturizer, or if you have a serum, you use your serum before your moisturizer, or you use your serum and you use your moisturizer, anyone you guys want to do. So you just apply it and then tap. Okay, so this soap works very well. It glows the skin, and then it contains lemon, which also is good. It contains lemon, which is also good. I'm trying to look for the ingredients here. So they use some kind of leaves, then there's citrus. So this thing is actually good to glow the skin, and it's, let me not lie, this thing brightens just tinny. So I don't want to just come and say anything, but I know I have seen Dudu Osun like brighten people up a bit, just tinny. It's not like it's going to brighten me. I feel it's exfoliating the dead skin. Sure you get, and then when you're exfoliating your skin, it tends to like get brighter, not white, brighter, just like brightens just a little bit. So that's what the soap does. It tends to exfoliate, it tends to heal, it tends to treat the skin, and it tends to glow the skin as well. So you may be using it and you're not seeing the right results. Is because you are not using it well. If you follow this procedure, trust me, you're going to see, in a week you're going to start seeing great results on your face or on your skin. I hope this video was useful. I don't want this video to be long. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.